I'm out in the garden. Look at that. Still growing. Kale. Looking good. Garlic. Some more kale. Wood chips are looking awesome. I'm gonna get up out here and take my hoe and weed some of these things here. But this is the real prize that I'm coming to look at. And look at this, y'all. Something has been out in the garden. We can't figure out what it is. Holes were deeper than that. We just don't know. So I was told to cut the tops and look. Y'all can't see because my hand's in the way. The Brussels sprouts, they're staying close. Look at that, hard as a rock. Looking good. That's the collard greens right there. And I was just about to pull up the turnips, but they fighting back and looking great over here. Cabbage. And here's the other bunch of turnips that I planted in succession. What are you doing out here? Oh, this is for the treats the garden dog had. And man, look at these collard greens right here. I hate to have to pull them up, but they're gonna have to come up to get prepared for it. We're gonna give them some more weeks, but I think I'm gonna put them in a pot and let them grow in a pot. But these are the collard greens that are looking so good. Looking great. Here's another Brussel plant. And I'm just amazed at that suggestion to cut off the tops will keep that going, keep this growing. I'm so happy about that. This one right here, I just think I'm gonna just cut that up and eat those because it's not doing anything. So I was halfway there. I trimmed the stems off right here, and I found that the ones that I trimmed off that were left, I was able to just pull those out. But look how beautiful the Brussels sprouts are looking right now. They look amazing. And I even noticed that when I topped them, look what's growing on top now. Some Brussels sprouts are growing on top. I am thoroughly pleased at what's happening right now. Thoroughly pleased. I know they're not going to be as large as the sprouts in the grocery store because, you know, I'm a home gardener and I'm not putting any extra on them. This year I'm going to start utilizing my, look at this. This is my collard green. Jeez. And look at this. These are the turnips. I had not been taking any videos of this little line right here because at one point all of them looked like this. But look at what's going on right now. And I got some more turnip roots. I'm excited about that. But this is the most exciting. Let's go back here. These are the other batch of turnips that we planted later on in the year. Their turnip roots are growing in right now. These are the collards. And I think we're going to end up having collards during the summertime because I just can't let these go. I probably have to plant them in a pot and net them so that the bugs won't get to them. So I'm excited about that. Garlic is coming up. kale is still putting out and looking great.